Hello traders, today is the 20th of July 2013 and the time in London is 13:20, in New York 8:20 a.m. Happy Saturday to you all. The title of this video is how do the pros trade commodity. So if you trade silver, you trade gold, you trade copper, you trade crude oil, okay, you are trading commodity. Now the question that we are asking is how do the pro trade commodity? I would like to encourage traders to watch the full length of this video and to understand how, okay, do the pros trade commodity. This is a very important video for all commodity traders. All right, let's get started. Now I'm going to go very fast and giving to traders some key levels. All right, very important key levels. By the way, the strategy that I'm applying now is a new page that I posted at www.tstwsys08, and I'm going to highlight some key levels for gold, spot gold. All right. For the spot gold, the first key level that trader must watch and should not forget, at least up to the end of August, okay, do not forget the level of 1438. If you are trading spot gold, you want to know the level of 1438. It's a very important level that the professional are watching, and you must watch the same level, all right, at least up to the end of this quarter at least, all right. So the level of 1438 is a key level for gold. The next key level for gold. Now, the level of 1438 is more important than the level that I'm going to tell you now. The second level is 1337. 1337. Now this level is immediate level, which will influence the market next week. So the level trader must watch next week urgently. Is the level of 1337. Priority to bullish signal above 1337. So, which means price break above 1337 and break above, retest, and turn around. All right. We will give priority to bullish signal above 1337, provided that the price is in a rising channel, displaying higher lows and higher highs above 1337. It is not because the price is above 1337 that one must buy anyhow. One must also acknowledge a key resistance level, because as the price going up, the price looking for a better resistance level. So in my view, there's a high channel gold may continue to move to the upside, though if it's below 1337, priority to bearish signal. But in my view, because the price break below the level of 1337, we will prefer it to slowly but gradually come and retest, okay, the level of 1337, and before it may find more weaknesses. So, but that remains to be seen. All right. But remember, priority to bullish signal above 1337. We want the price to break above it, retest, turn around before one can take a valid signal using our trading tool TSTWSYS08 or TSTW24. All right. Priority to bearish signal below 1337 if you are trading spot gold, but it doesn't mean that you just sell anyhow. The price now at a key level, you see the top of this candle weekly chart, the level of 12996. The price now is a resistance there around 12996. It's touching it now, but we will prefer it to roll it slowly to retest this level. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is not a trading signal. Do not use the video to make a trading decision, but these are key levels. Talking about how do the pro trade commodity, ordinary traders will spend most of their time looking at MACD, looking at CCI, looking at RSI, try to figure out what the indicators are saying instead of watching the price itself, the number one indicator, because the consensus is here. That's the price. If you are in Dubai, you are in Hong Kong, wherever you are, you will see exactly the same candlesticks patterns here on this weekly chart. All right. This is for gold. How do the pro trade the commodity? If you are trading commodity, you must check the fundamentals. You must, okay, read about the commodity that you are trading. You must know the cycle. You must know the factors that will affect gold. You must understand what can make gold go up, what can make gold go down. You must read, because when we are talking about commodity, we are not talking about just a stock. We are talking about a real asset that people can buy and hold or keep. All right. So you want to understand the fundamentals that can change the dynamics of gold. All right. Very, very important. Do not trade gold using the technical alone. That's not how the professionals are trading commodity. Professionals that are trading commodity are combining the technical and the fundamentals. This is crucial for commodity trading. All right, very, very important. All right, very, very important. The next thing that the professionals are doing, they are not trading in a void. They are trading around key levels. So they will not come in the market anyhow to trade gold. They will wait for gold to reach a key level. Then they will come into the market to make a decision. So if the price is in a void, which means in a highest risk position, they will not come into the market. They will wait for the price, because they are waiting for the price to reach a key level. In fact, they may set on their calendar software, okay, a timing, or to set alarm on their chart trading software to alert them that the price has reached these key levels. As soon as the price reaches a key levels, professionals are monitoring the market to make a decision after checking the fundamental. This is very, very important. The next thing that professionals are using when they are trading commodity, they are using the 6 critical price levels. I don't want the video to be too long. I will refer traders to the article that will title Trading Critical Price Levels at www.articlebase.com. Trading Critical Price Level. Search it on Google. Read the full length of that article. Understand what is the smart media line. What is the critical price level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5, CPL 1, CPL 2, CPL 3, CPL 4, CPL 5, CPL 6. Very, very important. Understand what is a smart high, smart low. Professionals constantly are watching this 6 critical price level. So check the article, Google it, trading critical price level, okay. You will see it, okay, that article written by myself, and you understand what I'm talking about. So the first thing that ordinary commodity traders must understand is that professionals are combining the technical and the fundamental. If you hear, for instance, on YouTube or on Facebook or anywhere on the web, professionals that are saying to you that I'm a technical trader, what they meant is that if he or she is about to enter the trend, he will make a technical decision. But it does not mean that the gentleman or the lady will just discount, okay, the economy news relating to gold. They understand. They know that there is this economy news, there is this Fed decision, there is this quantitative easing going on. They know. But when they are about to enter the trade, they will look at the chart to make decisions. They will say to you that they are technical traders, but they are technical traders that are aware of the fundamental, how they understand how the fundamental can affect the market, but they make their decision based on the technicals, okay, observations. On the other hand, you may hear a trader that may say to you, I'm a fundamental trader. They concentrate on the, okay, balance sheet. They concentrate, okay, on the true value of the asset, whether the asset has deviated from its true value, or whether the true value has been increasing at the same time that the price was increasing. They know also about the cycle of the commodity that they are trading. They know the season. They understand the market participants that are trading this particular commodity, because you want to know who are the people trading the commodity. So I recommend to traders to go to Google Finance and to go to Yahoo Finance to understand who are the people trading, okay, the gold, all right? What sort of market participants are trading gold? How they interfere in the market? How do they make their decisions? This is crucial for a commodity traders. talking about how do the pro trade commodity. We have also talked about key levels, professional. I'm just highlighting again for traders, very important for traders. If you are a technical trader, this is what we had said to trade the oil. You are using Elliott wave, you are using Fibonacci, you are using a trading system. Make your decisions around key levels. Here it is for gold. The first level that we are telling today is 1438, which is a long-term key levels. The immediate short-term key level is 1337. For next week, we are watching the first level that we are watching is 13337. Priority to bearish signal below that level, priority to bullish signal above that level. But we want to understand what the price is doing, break below, retest and around, break above, retest and around. Doesn't mean that the price is in a bearish zone, one cannot buy, but priority to bearish signal, which means you can step aside if you don't want to buy below that level. But if you are buying in a bearish zone, you need to be very, very careful. At least you are aware that you are in a bearish zone. All right? Okay? Very important. So for next week, apart from the zones below and above 1337, trader will also use the trading idea part 1. This is for TSTW24 and TSTWS S008 traders. For traders that do not understand what is trading idea part 1, you will highlight on the weekly chart the high, the low, and the median line of the week that has closed. This week here, it has closed here. Highlight the high, highlight the low, highlight the median line. Price above the median line of that weekly candle. Priority to bullish signal, price below, priority to sell signal. So price in a bearish zone, but if it's above the median line of last week, if the market opens on Monday, we will give priority, carefully give priority to bullish signal. We know we're in a bearish zone, but if you want to buy, at least we want the price to remain above the median line of the previous week. This is about trading idea part 1. To avoid that the video is too long, I'll move on now to crude oil. The next financial instrument is the daily US light crude. Daily US light crude. We are now I'll go to the weekly charts. And I want to highlight to traders 2 key levels again for crude oil. If you trade crude oil, the first key level that you must watch, which is the long-term key level, which you must watch at least up to the end of this quarter, is 9715. Repeat, 9715. It's a long-term key levels that professionals are watching. You must do exactly the same thing. All right. The next key levels that in fact, this is the short-term key level. My apology to trader. The short-term key level for crude oil is what am I talking about here? Yes, that's correct. The next key level, yes, the long-term key level is 9715. That's correct. So what I've said before is correct. 9715 is the long-term key level, which is right here. 9715. You must watch this level up to the end of this quarter at least. 9715. 9715. Keep repeating it. 9715. 17. Okay. So you get a message. All right. 9715 is a long-term key level for crude oil. The next key level, which we must pay attention to, which is a kind of immediate key level, because the price has deviated too far away from it now. So it's it becomes now, before it was immediate, now we will call it intermediate. A medium term key levels is 10017. 10017. This is the key levels that traders must watch for the medium term for crude oil. Priority to bullish signal above the 10017. Priority to bearish signal below the 10017. We will also apply the trading idea part 1, highlight the high, the low, and the median line of the week that has closed. 1 week has closed today. All right, today is Saturday. The 20th of July 2013. All right, so this is the week, the last week candle. We will use the trading idea part 1, highlight the high, the low, and the median line of the week that has closed. The price in a bullish zone above the 1017. We will use the trading idea part 1, taking the valid bullish signal above the median line of the week weekly candle that has closed. Okay, this one here talking about trading idea part 1. So to summarize for US light crude, the 2 key levels, the long-term key level is 9715. You can see that the price is far away from it now. The next key levels is at 10017. Priority to bullish signal above, priority to bearish signal below. Applying the same strategy that we have discussed when we were talking about gold, spot gold. We will also, for as the week has opened, we will use the trading idea part 1 by highlighting the high, the low, and the median line of the previous weekly candle, the weekly candle that has closed, okay, right here. All right, so 2 key levels plus trading idea part 1. All right, we want to understand that if you are trading crude oil, you want to understand the country that produces crude oil. If there are some political turmoil in that country, that may affect also, okay, the supply of crude oil. Talking about commodity, we cannot forget, okay, supply and demand, and also the seasons for crude oil. We notice that in the summer very often, people drive a lot, so the price of the demand is quite high, and crude oil will be going up during the summer. So very often, professionals are busy buying crude oil during the summer. But as I said to you, we must combine the technical and the fundamental and understand also the cycle of the commodity that we are trading and also the market participant. At the center of the market is human beings that are making decisions. They buy, they sell, or they step aside. We want to know who are these people that are trading this commodity, how do they think, how do they make their decision, how long they remain in their trade, okay, what is their risk tolerance. This is how the professional are trading commodity. To summarize, okay, this tutorial, traders must understand that professional will always combine the technical and the fundamental. At least they are aware of the fundamental if they are purely, okay, technical trader. They are also using key levels, so they want a price to reach a key level before they will enter the market. There's one level here before I close this video, is the level of 9528. You see the thick black line here, where I'm moving my cursor. This is what a 9528. A very beautiful, gorgeous key level. That's where you see the price start going up big time. Tall candle from here, you see. This level was here for a while. The level of 9528 was a very, very important level, while the price was oscillating around that level. And finally, boom, the price gap start going up big time. As you can see here, it just start running away from 9528. As an ordinary trader, you must also slowly but gradually making your decision around key level. What I say to TSCW24 or TSCW8, there are signals that can appear anywhere, but we want signals that appear, okay, at the key levels where the risk is low and also where the reward is likely to be high. When one is about to enter a trade or buy any asset or any financial instrument or sell it, one must understand, okay, the principles that govern that financial instrument. Meaning that one must understand who is buying and who is selling, and when people usually sell this commodity, when do they usually buy it? All right. Also, trader must also go to Google and search for the article that we titled, okay, Trading Critical Price Level. Professionals are also watching the 6 critical price level, apart from the fundamentals, combining the fundamental and technical, and using key levels. Professionals are also using, okay, the 6 critical price level. The 6 critical price level are very, very important level, essential level. If you, in fact, I think it's completely a madness for somebody to trade commodity without knowing the 6 critical price level. It's like one is just gambling, in fact. It's like driving without any light at all in the darkness, okay? It's like going through a city without knowing, okay, the map of the city. It is crazy, in fact. The reason why I'm saying this and shouting here, all right? Traders should take it seriously. If you are trading gold, if you are trading crude oil, know all the 6 critical price level for gold and for crude oil. If you trade silver or you trade copper or any other commodity, you must know your 6 critical price level. search for the article that we title Trading Critical Price Level, understand the formula, how we use the critical price level, know where they are, is the price at a critical price level, and understand that professional, okay, will make their decision around those key levels. For next week, the strategy is very simple. One must use trading idea part 1, highlight the high, the low, and the median of the week that has closed, but also understand the 2 key levels that we have highlighted for traders, talking about gold and crude oil. This is about how do the pro trade commodity. I hope you have learned something from this video and will put it to use, okay, to make an excellent decision. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW SYS008 traders. I'll speak to you soon.